Welcome to Lasa.Africa. Today we're going to show a processing of our Casa VGL 54X01. Let's go ahead and open up the box. For the first step, you require parts A, B, C and D, 2 parts I, 2 parts H, 12 parts number 1 the screw. The item does come with the Allen key, but you can use the power tool. Disassemble. For the next step, you require 2 part G's, 2 part E's, 2 part F's, and screws 2 part 3's. The item does come on the Allen key, but you can use your power tool. For our next step, we need our previous assemblies with part C and 2 parts to the screw. Let's assemble. For the next step, we need our previous assembly, also parts A, B, and D, 6 part 2. For the next step, you need our previous assemblies and 8 parts number 2. Let's assemble. For the next step, you require 2 parts of foam. For the next step, you require part 7, the anti-tipping. Please refer to our manual on how to install. Thank you. Thank you for watching the product assembly for our CASA VGL 54XL1. Please go to our website www.lasa.africa to view more of our product assemblies, more of our products. Thank you.